The animated image is part of the Quick Basic group. When you drag and drop from the library, you'll see the default image in your form editor. Selecting the Layouts tab in the Property panel allows you to quickly scale up the design based on the size of the parent object.
Select the plus icon next to the image source property to add your GIF to the project. By default, playing is set to false. Check true to enable autoplay. To preview your animated GIF in real time, select the play button to open the live preview window. While the preview window is open, adjust the speed control in the Properties panel to either increase or decrease the speed of the GIF independent from any other animated elements in your project. Use the Properties, Layouts, and Advanced tab to further edit the animated image. As I've been visually enhancing my animated image, QML has been written for me, allowing my collaboration with development much easier and more streamlined.